Hello everyone, Kayla here with a review of the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. First off, this is not in my hair today. I used this up a long time ago. I think this is like one of the first gels from the Black Friday haul that I tried. And I have footage and pictures from when I first tried it. So if I can dig through my things and find them, I will do that. But anyhow, let's get to the stats. This gel costs $9.99. You're going to get 15 ounces. This is a drugstore product. You can get it just about anywhere. I purchased mine off of Naturally Curly, not because I needed to get it from Naturally Curly, but because I was already ordering from them anyway. I will say that the places where they say they carry this, either we don't have those stores in my area, or that store is like, or that store just does not carry this product. So I probably, if I was really trying to go get this, I probably would have had to eventually buy it online anyway, because I just don't have those stores in my area. But this product smells y'all, it smells like a high C or some kind of like fruit punch or something. It's really weird, but clean though, like clean like a body product, but then at the same time smelling like a high C fruit punch. Very, very loud smell. It took a while for the smell to dissipate. When I first applied this to my hair the first time that I did it, I really was neutral, but I was hopeful because carbomer is pretty high on the ingredients list. Carbomer is ingredient number 3. That's a holding ingredient, and gels that work good on my hair tend to have carbomer in them. So I was hopeful, and I got my feelings busted. This gel, I didn't like the way my hair looked. It had too much hold. Like my hair was like sticking out weird places. It was just big clumps, little clumps, everywhere, clump. I really was not liking my hair. And I think I did come and take pictures with my HD camera of that. So if I can find them, I'll definitely put them in. And I was just like upset. And then my hair had like a dull cast to it. My hair looked gray. And I was like, really though? Really though? And then though, the next day, I guess my hair just wasn't fully dry or something like that, because the next day my hair was the right color. The gel cast had broken off of it. My hair looked a lot better the next day. And the day after that too. So for 2 days, I was like, okay, it's cute or whatever. And then day 4 hit. Boy, that gel cast lightened up quick. And I was left with just frizzy, poofy hair with no definition. I think I ended the week in a puff or a bun. If you see me with a puff or a bun, it's because my hair didn't last. Matter of fact, you know what? I think it was a bun because I think I filmed a video while I was wearing that bun. I think it was a bun that I ended the weekend. So this is hair gel for people that don't like gel, which I kind of knew that before I tried it, because a lot of the people that would recommend this gel to me or say, have you tried it or have you heard about, were all people that were in that same conversation with me, saying how much they don't like gel or how much they are afraid of gel or that kind of stuff. And I really don't get this gel fear that people have. People are really, really afraid of hair gel. And here I am just going through all the hair gels in the world. I'm not afraid of no hair gel. But those are the type of people that were pushing this gel or recommending this gel, were people that don't like them. So I kind of should have known. I should have known at that. But this right here is probably good. It's got hold. Carbomer is high on the ingredients list. But you are going to get maybe 2 to 3 days out of this, and that's it. I don't know about y'all, but I'm a professional. I work 5 days out of the week. I work from before the sun comes up till deep in the afternoon, okay? I really don't have time. And then also I have a type of career where you bring your work home. So you come home and you still working. You still doing something. You ain't getting paid, but you still working. So I really cannot afford to be redoing my hair all the time. I just cannot guarantee that I can redo my hair every 3 days. That's just not something that I'm into. I'm not for that. I need to be able to do my hair once and be done with it. And that's not what you're going to get with this gel. I really cannot speak too much to the whole flaxseed thing, because I don't see why it would be clear and smell like fruit punch if it had flaxseed in it. And honestly, where's the ingredients again? The first 5 ingredients in any product is what's in there the most. And you know, you've got water, glycerin, carbomer, and some N-methyl propanol, and then phenyl-hexanol, which are some alcohols. And the flaxseed oil, the flaxseed oil, so it's not even flaxseed like where it would be like holding. This flaxseed oil is really, really down at the bottom of the ingredients list. And I'm guessing maybe the presence of the oil is what might have been weakening the hold. And then, of course, I was about to end the video, but because, you know, first of all, the lighting is getting really disrespectful. But I was about to end this video without talking about the don't shrink message, because that's what it's called, don't shrink. If you think something is going to keep your hair from shrinking, you are sadly mistaken. You are sadly, sadly mistaken. And once the gel cast breaks off of this, you're going to get all the shrinkage in the world, girl, because your hair going to shoo right on up because it doesn't have any hold on it anymore. So, I would say maybe my hair was elongated a little bit more, very slightly. But even sharing the videos and stuff, you can't compare that to my hair now because the videos and pictures for this review are from January, maybe? January, and it's March right now when I'm filming this. Who knows when I'll put this up though, so I shouldn't even told you what month it is. But anyway, this gel is not really something that I would really run out and try to get. Not really. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I gotta end it. The lighting is just getting awful. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Share it with your natural friends who maybe were curious about this gel. If you have experiences with the gel, definitely leave it in the comment section below. And I will talk to you guys in my next one.